Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about a very important topic, time management. In today's fast-paced world, it can be incredibly difficult to stay on top of everything we need to do. We have dozens of priorities, and every minute we spend working behind a screen can be filled with distractions. That's why it's crucial to have the right tools to help us manage our time effectively. Managing your time effectively can be enjoyable and uplifting. There are numerous ways to boost your productivity. One great way is to use a calendar to track your commitments, events, and tasks. By doing this, you'll always know what's coming up and you can plan your day accordingly, which will lead to a more productive and satisfying day. There are many productivity apps that integrate with your calendar to help you plan your workday. And they've been around for a while. But if you want to take your productivity to the next level and have some fun doing it, you should definitely try out Task Planner. Task Planner is a fantastic tool that uses the time blocking technique to help you get your goals done. It automatically schedules your Trello tasks in Google Calendar, picking the perfect time for each task based on your workload and your work schedule. With Task Planner, you'll have an ideal plan for the day without any stress. And if your plans change or an urgent meeting comes up, Task Planner will automatically reschedule tasks for you. So, let me show you how this amazing tool works.
Okay guys, so here we go. We're on the Task Planner website. Nice and clean, check it out. You can see exactly the service you're going to get. Trello and Google Calendar working together as never before. Scroll down, we've got those sweet pros compared with doing it the old way, manually planning. No one wants to be doing that. And look, match made in heaven, Trello and Google Calendar. Let's get going with a free trial and we can show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So all you need to do is chuck your email address in, your Gmail account, so that it can speak to your calendar. Let's choose our time zone so it knows where we're working for. Myself in London, and then our working schedule. So these are the times that it's going to look to put those nice efficient moments in. Love that, yeah. Monday to Friday with a decent lunch break. Love lunch. So yeah, that's all in. Let's go. Next. Boom. And let's connect to our Trello account. There we go. Let's give it everything it needs. They can talk to each other. They're going to sync up. I'm going to add my main Trello board and get going. We're going to chuck in the free trial right now. So here we are on the settings page. Really straightforward. Everything you want to see, your general settings, your support, your billing. But let's show you how this works. So let's go over to my Trello board here. I've got an important meeting on Friday with FreedomWorks, and I need to do a little bit of prep beforehand. So I'm going to add into my to scope FreedomWorks prep, and it'll probably be 15 minutes. I've got a really busy day on Friday. I've got lots of employee appraisals. Let's chuck that in. It's in my to scope, and let's check Google Calendar right now. This is showing my Friday. Boom. FreedomWorks prep has chucked it in at the first possible opportunity after my morning check-in. You know, there's no clash. There's no need to check. I'm not checking with other employees that I can fit it in. It has just done it. Awesome. Let's add another task in. Let's push it to see what it can do. I don't know if I've got I don't even know if I've got a free hour on Friday, but let's see. So let's do a FreedomWorks recap, and let's do 60 minutes. It's in my Trello board. It's ready to plan, but where is it going to go? In my busy schedule on Friday. Let's check your calendar. There we go. Chucked it in straight after lunch. No need to check my schedule. Boom, done. Task Planner.
So if you're feeling tired or feeling overwhelmed and stressed out by your workload, give Task Planner a try. It's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity and get more done in less time. Don't forget to use the promo code mentioned in this video to get a huge discount on a pro account. This account provides even more enhancements.